It's Big Sammy at you guys. Hey, just wanted to make a little video of the installation of the AMPROAD iflow level 2 charger. So this is kind of what we got going on, fellas. So we added the we put the wire in the box here. We've got it tied in there with a breaker, and what it does is come out, go down 18 inches below the ground there, encased in the hard pipe. And as you guys see it, we have it coming across. We got some sand that's coming, by the way, but you can see it goes right in the wall, up into the from the conduit right in the wall. And let's walk around here. We'll show you guys where it's located in the garage, because we have a guy that's looking for this video. Hopefully this video finds him. Let's see here. Hold on one second. We gotta get the key. Pocket. Let's see. So I just plugged the car in here, as you guys might know, as you see, because my power wasn't long enough. Excuse the mess, but we're getting situated, I swear. So let me throw some lights on here for you guys. We got things kind of rigged up for now. Okay, so this is the outside wall. There's our charger, and it might be charged already. Is this thing charged already? No, that's still going. This charging at 40 amps. It's been 44 kilowatts so far, and it's been running, let's see how long it's been running. Oh, 24 minutes. So this is the charger, the AMPROAD. I'm sorry if I've been pronouncing it wrong all this time, but this is the AMPROAD charger level 2, and that's how we got it locked in. So the guy that's asking the question, he's saying, do I have to have it inside or outside? The answer to that is you can do it in or out. It's got a casing, you know, the casing here. As you see it, if you did have it outside, you put your boot on it after you take it off the charger, and you just hang it around on the tree, or you know, wherever you got it at. Or you can have it in the garage like this one here. See, we getting organized, fellas. I told y'all we were trying to do right. Anyway, so you can have it in and out. Like I said, right now I have it inside for the main fact that, as you see, this is only 25-foot cord. And of course, when we have it down that way, it's not going to, you know, fit all the way out the garage, because it's a 30-foot garage. So that's why we got the car parked inside. But hopefully that helps somebody. And like I said, that's your charger. And we're still trying to get the Wi-Fi hooked up to it, because we're trying to do it on their website. We got the IP address, but unfortunately it wasn't working. And the computer saying I'm not able to do the app. I don't know if it's because I'm here in the States and it's in Canada, but let me show you guys the setup while we're here real quick. I know this is a little bit much, but there's our 1550 NEMA plug. And here's our we got a little 100 amp breaker, and we got enough space where we're gonna, you know, add stuff onto the garage, but you want a 50 amp breaker for your 50 amp plug in here. All right, so a little setup like this inside will do you good. And man, I hope y'all like this video. And like I said, drop me some comments, or you got a question, I'll try to make another video. Hope this helps someone. And yeah, anyways, we're gonna let y'all go. Lights out. Peace.